Hey everyone, this month on Patreon we'll be looking into projectile smoke. So this is what I've got in Unreal Engine. I've made this laser line basically to show where the pistol or this submachine gun is actually aiming at. And we've got very subtle smoke that comes from the muzzle and also follows the trajectory of that laser line. There's also very fast flash that seems like the projectile is actually following that trail as well. Let me tweak it because I think it's a little bit too big. Okay, 100, even more. Right, so now we're getting very subtle flash that follows the line and creates this smoke. So that's the Unreal Engine version, and let me dive into Unity now. And in Unity, this is what I've got so far. Again, just a line and that laser line with some smoke and a very quick flash as well, just to indicate there's some sort of projectiles that leave the smoke and the fiery bits for a very short amount of time. Obviously, if that's the sniper rifle, you probably want to leave that for a bit longer. If it's a submachine gun and it fires at very high rate, you probably want to reduce its lifetime to create very quick and subtle effect of that smoke. So this is what we'll be working on Patreon. On YouTube, we're gonna go through the texturing part of it. We're gonna look into Substance, how to make that kind of smoke texture, and we're gonna go to Houdini as well, and we're gonna create a really nice trail made of smoke. Okay, so that's it for this month.